come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart. Tell me your secrets.
Stebuklas, ar?
Štai perduok pusbroliui lauktuvių.
Gerai perduosiu. Gudusis miškas Mikhailai Potapkei.
Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be. No, you didn't have to stoop so low. Have your friends collect your records and then change your number. Guess that I don't need that though. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. Now you're just somebody that I used to know.
Medų meškinai! O kodėl tu žinai? Pasakyk kietoms gudrus! O jos traukia tas medus tame!
Taigi Mikė Pūkuotukas susiruošė pas savo geriausią draugą Knisį.